looking forward to doing a little more winter camping this season. And to help us, and that's not to put aside the War Bonnet Blackbird hammock, but we're going to try this tent from REI. It's called a Cirque ASL 2, which means all season light. So this should work out for us even in light snow conditions, because it is an all season tent. So we've got a site here picked out, and we'll go ahead and set that up, and we'll show you how that all goes together. I did buy the optional ground cloth. And of course, keep it in a row. This is the rain fly. It has two vestibules. Next is the tent. And the corners are all color-coded. Next are the poles, and there are 3 poles through this system. 2 of the poles go through the channel. There's 2 channels. And then there's a 3rd pole that keeps the rain gutter up on top, and we'll show you that too. This being an all-season tent, you do have channels that the tent poles go through, and these are heavy-duty DAC aluminum poles. See, to beat it in there helps for stringing the poles through the channel. Okay, we have the first one through. So that's basically it. Okay, we'll do the rainfly next. Wanted to show you how this last pole goes up across the top of the rainfly here. Series of loops. With a grommet here in the back. Grommet here in the front. Keeps that lip open. This is vestibule number 1. See the lifted poles there for the lip. This is vestibule number 2. This comes with 6 tent stakes, 2 tie-outs for the vestibule, and the whole thing weighs in at 5.5 pounds. That's complete with the rainfly and the tent. I got the optional ground cloth. So a little bit later on we'll take you inside, but I wanted to show you how the whole thing just ties out, stakes out from the outside. But it's all set up and we're ready for the overnight. Okay, so I wanted to bring you inside the tent, and just to give you kind of an idea of the inside dimensions. This is my Gregory Palisades 80 backpack, and I've got it shoved down to the foot end of the tent. There you see my Kelty down sleeping bag. So we're looking at the width. There's the backpack, the Kelty. So this is a 2-person tent, so this gives you an idea of width. Going up, I wanted to also show you these zippers. This first zipper here, you can open up again the tent completely with that first zipper option, and there you see the peak of the tent. Let's look outside here. That's the view, and you're still under that peak, so anything dripping off the rainfly is not going to drip inside this opening of the tent. We'll close this back up. Here are the other set of zippers. What this does is opens the door, but it leaves you the bug netting, and that also helps for ventilation as well. So go ahead and close that. So you can completely seal this tent off, or you can open it with a clean shot to the outside, or open it for the bug netting. And this has 2 doors, so you have the same option on this side as well, with the second vestibule as well. So this works out great, and I really like this tent. This is one of the great features of this tent. There are many others, but this one is pretty amazing. Okay, we're now at the head end of this tent, and another great feature of the Cirque 2 all-season light REI tent are the pockets. And once again, at the head end, you have a pocket here in this corner. You have another pocket in this corner, and again, the 2-door tent offers all the same zipper options. This, you can see the vestibule closed on this side of the tent. And then there's the pocket overhead, a large sized pocket. Very nice. And finally, I wanted to give a special thanks to YouTube buddy. I call him Beast, and I'll put his YouTube channel name down here in the screen. But wanted to give him a special thanks for telling me about the Cirque 2 REI ASL series tents. He has an Arete that he just recently reviewed on his YouTube channel. He also mentioned the Cirque as well, and I went out and checked on both of them and made the choice for the Cirque. But the second tent in this series is called the Arete. Go over to Beast's channel and you can check out his all-season light tent, the choice that he made. Once again, thanks Beast. Really appreciate it.